I know I do wrong sometimes, I gotta stay on the right path and keep it tight. Jesus my mind and he's the light, I'm gonna be alright. One lesson after another part of growing up. A's and B's in my work hard. I started last but I finished first. A burst of energy, the enemy can't stand me. Step aside and watch me glide. Move to the other side level, the devil can't touch it. Just because I'm 12 I don't say much, I have a lot of sense. Can you see a small print? I represent the B-I-B-L-E. Now you trying to peek, what's wrong with me? Nothing, I'm human, just like you. I have the light, the key, the man. He got all power in his hand. He's beginning, the end, protector, my shield, my faith, helmet of salvation, breastplate, righteousness, the whole armor of God. If you don't know, now you know. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. The ones who talk about me is the ones I pray for. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. Just lay back and sit down and get down with your Trevor Roll. Jesus, my soul, worth more than gold. Everything I speak, every time I think, it's so unique, all in sync with the Holy Spirit, don't blink. The blessings I possess, I thank God for the mess I went through. I learned from my mistakes, it's so sweet like ice without the cake. I'ma keep it real, not fake, wrong with Jesus, not trying to reason. This the season, I'ma get a breakthrough. I thought you knew, ITJ staying true. Open your eyes, open your books. Proverbs 8:22, move something and clap your hands. And Jesus is a man. I'ma tell you one thing, I'm blessed. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. The ones to talk about me is the ones I pray for. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. You can't stop me, cause Jesus got me. The ones who talk about me is the ones I pray for.